Preface. The present book is an English textbook for a class ninth, strictly based on New Educational Policy 2020 and list syllabus as prescribed by the Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad, Uttar Pradesh. The book is a combination of brief and movement. Some salient feature of the books. First point, before starting on the text, boy and girl are giving a brief introduction of the author and poet and also of the chapter. They will have a rough outline of what they are going to read. It must also create an curiosity about the text. Second point, the whole text have been divided into small pieces and the follow Hindi translation of each piece. It is advised that Hindi translation should be avoided and be referred to only in a case of difficulty of for cross checking. Third points, as both the language and Hindi and English have their own nature, culture, language and structure and tendency, while giving the Hindi version of the text, we have kept a above point in consideration. Fourth point, under glossary, maximum number of difficult words have been given their English as well Hindi meanings. Fifth point, additional material for self-evaluation and careful preparation like comparison and question. Short as well as long, true, false, statement, multiple choice, type question, matching, make the books and commandable. Fifth points, the book does not have a just a examination orient approach. It is a help boy and girl try their imaginative ability to develop their creativity as will given exercise help them comprehend and the express themselves in spite of all. It is equally true that books do not speak. The teacher's loving guidance and proper encouragement can do miracle. Last point, last but not least, although we have tried of hardest to keep the book free from errors, we offers our apology and making some unknowing slips. We hope sincere and effort going to prove to be the learnfully friendly. Positive suggestion for the worthy teachers and readers are always welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you.